Hello guys, this is Imara TV. I bring you entertainment, discoveries and so on. So in our today's episode, we have a very beautiful lady here that we need to interview her and ask her some random questions. So let's hear her views, her opinions and so on. So welcome. So what is your name?
Hi, my name is Irene Odero. Yeah,
So Irene, what do you do in life?
I'm a student at St. Paul's University. I'm taking bachelor degree in communication. Yeah, and I also do pageantry and high fashion modeling. Yeah, not yet professional, and I'm the second runner-up of SPU students. Yeah.
So udem leo tuko na yeye, ni moto sana, anasema ni modeler, she's a student and so on. So leo nataka nimuulize some quick random questions about some few general topics about life. So Irene, have you ever dated before?
Yeah, I have
For how long?
for like the longest.
Yeah, the longest.
The longest maybe 6 months.
Okay, so 6 months yako ilikuwaje?
It was good. Yeah, it was my first actually.
It was your first. So anasema, have you ever, is one guy or several guys?
Actually one. Yeah, it was my first. But right now I'm not sure if I'm dating. But I've dated before. But tuliachana.
So how was experience about dating and so on?
I actually loved it with that guy. Yeah, it was good. I loved everything.
So nikuulize swali, can you date a broke guy?
I can't date a broke guy.
And so
I'm not saying I want a rich guy, but I can't go for a broke guy. At least ukwe mahali ama uko unajituma, that is. Yeah.
So kujituma aje? Like a broke guy mtu anajituma aje?
Okay, unaweza kuwa unakosa hauna do, but at least the efforts. Yeah, unajituma daily, going somewhere to do something, but you're broke and you're not doing anything. Yeah, I can't.
So you cannot date a broke guy.
I can't.
So according to you, a broke guy ni mtu anakaa aje?
Hana job and is not even willing to find one. Yeah, ama mse mwenye anataka kuwekwa. Unajua these days wanaume sana mnataka kuwekwa. Yeah, so I can't. Yeah, mwenye anataka kuwekwa, like I'm paying the bills, he's not doing anything, not ready to do anything. That is, yeah, that's a broke guy to me.
So so according to our girl anasema a broke guy is someone mwenye ajitumi, is not doing anything, is not making any efforts. So huyo ndo a broke guy na is date mseka huyo. So if you are a man outside there, you have to, unafaa ujitume, have the self drive affection, ujiangalie and then nile tu kujituma so that you show some efforts that you are doing something for you to qualify not to be among the broke people. So I'm really grateful for your opinion.
Yeah, sure.
About dating life.
Yeah.
So umesema you're a campus student?
Yeah, I'm a campus student in St. Paul's University.
Yeah. So how was your campus life?
Campus life so far, imekuwa poa. I can't complain actually. Yeah, but of course kuna challenges. Yeah, but we are pushing.
Which are some of the challenges una face, like as a comrade?
As a comrade, of course, money.
Money is the biggest deal.
Money is the biggest deal. Yeah, as a comrade, you too, I guess.
Yeah.
And the weather sometimes huku Limuru.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weather pia in affect.
In affect.
Kabaridi.
Baridi.
And then so unaweza ambia which is the best advice can you give to wale form 4 leavers wenye unataka kujoin campus? Unaweza waambia nini in brief, in 1 or 2 words, unaweza waambia nini wakikam campus?
Oh, number 1, form 4 leavers, just ukitaka kujoin campus, as in come knowing what you want to do. Unajua kuna wale wanaendanga with what their parents want to, anataka afanye. Yeah, hiyo ndio number one challenge in affecting you say immediately wamejoin. Unataka mzazi anataka kuwa mwalimu, wewe unataka kuwa nurse. So don't go for what your parents want you to do. Go for what you want to do. Yeah, and the course is quite hard for you later. Yeah, and then in campus, there's a lot of people, a lot of friends, different backgrounds. So when you're coming here, you have to be very keen on who you want to keep in your life. Of course, we make mistakes. You never know the person in the first day. But as you move on with your friends, people you meet, you're allowed, it's your life to cut people off. Yeah, along the way. Yeah, just identify and just make sure you're not going on the wrong way. Yeah.
So this in briefly, our girl anasema, ukikam campus, don't come because you're pushed by someone, maybe your parent to come and do that course that you're doing. Don't be pushed by anyone. What she means is that do what you love and what you're passionate for. Usikam because somebody pushed you, because your parents pushed you, because your friends pushed you. Ama you want to maybe to make some people happy. No, come because it's for yourself. Yeah, and then amesema other thing, you look for people whom you meet with because huko kuna different backgrounds with different people. Yeah, so what motivated you to join campus?
Oh, motivation. Number one, I wanted to build my skills because I really wanted to be a journalist. Yeah, so I thought campus is the only platform for you to build your skills, to learn more about what you want to be. Yeah, so I think that's what really motivated me. Plus, also being a model with this career, it's helping me to brand myself using PR. Yeah, na major na PR, sorry. Yeah, so I think it's a platform. Yeah, and also being a model, it's been a platform for me. So campus, I really wanted to join for the platform to learn more. Yeah, and to get the skills of being a journalist.
So what motivated Irene to join campus is that to build her skills, to focus on her career, and also to brand herself. So I don't know what motivates you to join campus. You should also be very careful what motivates you to join campus. Okay, Irene, I'm really grateful for you.
Yeah.
I'm really grateful to have you in my show. So your advice means a lot, and I think it will educate so much people, especially from for leavers and so on. So thank you for your time.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, you're welcome.